Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Acrylic Pouring by Michael. Today I'm working on a 12 by 24 inch gallery wrapped canvas. I am still using the purple, violet, magenta, and light pink palette. I am going to try to use up this paint as best as I can. Uh, I'm going to go ahead and reuse this palette once again, but I am going to be doing it in a different fashion. I am going to be not starting with the Diox purple. I'm going to end with Diox purple instead. So I'm probably going to be basing it with the Caput Mortem first, and then we'll layer colors as we go, just to see what kind of different result we can get with this same palette. So let me go ahead and put my gloves on that I like to reuse so often, because otherwise it gets quite wasteful. So let's go ahead and put the Caput Mortem down. Just kind of base that. Let's just use that up, shall we? Yeah, just use that up. All right, one color we don't have to worry about reusing. Goody, we're making progress. Let's go ahead with the fluorescent violet. And let's just work it the other way. A little bit left of that still. Let's go with the light pink. Just for fun. Something like that. And let's go with the brilliant purple. Let's go with the light blue. These colors are so nice. They play off so well from each other. And then we're going to go with the quinacridone magenta. Go with a little bronze. Like I said, sometimes you just gotta sit here and play a little bit and see what you can come up with. We're going to go ahead with the pearl white. Well, I just see I made an oops, but I'll see what we can do with that. And last but not least, the dioxazine purple. See if we can go ahead and kill this purple here. And I think that we have pretty much killed or wiped out the purple. All right, so instead of swiping it right away, we're just going to go ahead and try to level this thing out a bit. And try to lose all the paint. All right. We're going to actually use the smaller knife today. We're just going to just lightly drag her across. It's looking interesting already. Being a little more exaggerated with my movements, considering we're using a small knife. Gives you the opportunity to actually do that. We're going to go like that. All right, let's go back over here. Pick up all that copper, bronze, I should say. It's not copper. All right. Let's go ahead and get this thing off to the corners. Let's bring her back. Go ahead down to this corner. Hopefully you don't lose too much. And then back down. Well, that is different. That is definitely different. But I don't think we're going to be using this color palette for a while. I just have very little paint left over. I don't have to be upset about wasting it. I don't know. What do you guys think? We may do some finger swipes on this one. Clean off my gloves. Do a finger swipe here too. Where we can pick up and go with some of these lines of paint here. Like that one there. Where else can we go? Oh, we got some nice. Something like that there. Let's go ahead and drag this one through. that. Okay. I'm going to go over here. Through. I don't know. There's not much I can do with this one. This one is pretty cool. You can see the pearls in here are really making some nice reflections. I think we're gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna go ahead and torch it out, and this one's done. So hopefully you guys won't have to see this palette anytime soon. But let me know what you think. Torch this thing out. There's like no air bubbles in it. It's great. Hardly got any cells out of it. Maybe some will form. Maybe because the paint was getting old. Don't know. But that's gonna do it. And please like, share, and subscribe. Still trying to build my channel. And that's gonna be it. And we'll see you in the next one. Okay, just keep pouring.